And this is the way I think about social media marketing now. 10, 15 years ago, you needed 4 exposures in front of somebody for them to be familiar enough with you to be okay buying from you over the next person. 4 exposures. Now it's more like 25. I wouldn't be surprised if it's higher than 25 exposures. So on social media, if you can get 25 exposures in front of your prospects, so they're familiar enough with you, so they trust you and want to buy from you over the next person, you've nailed social media. That's the game. But if you put 25 exposures in front of somebody with a call to action in them, guess what? You're going to piss them off. It's going to have a negative effect. It won't work. 25 exposures where you're talking about yourself, it's going to have a negative effect, and it won't work. And that's what 99% of people posting on social media are doing, and they're doing wrong, and they're trying to get around it by hacking the platform, hacking the algorithm, buying likes or buying followers, joining engagement pods, all this sort of stuff. They're getting completely distracted. Because what really matters is storytelling. Forget the platform. I mean, I'm a LinkedIn marketer. I sell LinkedIn services. Storytelling is way more important than LinkedIn at all. If you're playing the platform dance, you won't last the distance. When I started in online marketing, I could get a website to #1 on Google. And we were getting 10 leads a day for a real estate business. And I thought I was a legend. And then Google did something called an algorithm update. And all the websites that were #1 on Google went to page 100. I'm lucky they didn't get blacklisted because I was getting all these backlinks from all these websites so that Google thinks, okay, it's got all these backlinks, it's a popular website. We're going to rank it higher than the other ones. But I was manipulating the algorithm. Google's got thousands of employees that are focused on giving the user a good experience. Is manipulating the algorithm giving the user a good experience? No, it's not. And so do you think it'll be any different on social media? If you're a member of an engagement pod and 50 members, you like and comment on all their stuff and they like and comment on your stuff back, you've got to be naive to think that that's going to work in the long run. And meanwhile, you're not learning about any of this.